Okay guys, we're checking out appliances today. We're at the Home Depot. Here's a 4-piece package for $29.71.
4 pieces?
4 pieces. This is a LG. $14.98 on the fridge. But you get the cube crushed and cracked ice in the door. There's your refrigerator. And get up to $200 LG Fill Your Fridge rebate offer. But there's your fridge.
Freezer
there's your
section.
freezer. Ice maker.
You know, I like this ice maker, Glenda, because if we're going to fill up something large, you can just take this out and pour it in your cooler, guys. Ain't that?
That's a lot easier than ours. You got
like
your meat drawer down here, I guess.
Yeah, meat.
And then another drawer. And the refrigerator. This is the refrigerator size, but the freezer side has a drawer too.
We're not.
And here's the stove. Smooth top for $8.98. It's an LG. There's the fridge. It's in the fridge. You get the refrigerator for $14.98. You get the electric range for $8.98. You get the dishwasher for $6.48 and a microwave for $2.98. So that looks like it's a pretty good deal.
Now look at this Samsung. Yeah, this is the Samsung.
I'm trying to figure out this package.
Is that package?
Yeah, I don't see the dishwasher on that package or the microwave. Now here's another package for $25.98. Here's the fridge, and you get the refrigerator for $13.98. You get the electric range for $7.98, and the microwave for $2.68, and the dishwasher for $4.98. And this is a Samsung.
Show them the QR code there, Glenda. You might have to scan that QR code and learn more about it.
Now this one here, you get the water, the crushed ice, and the cubed ice.
That one looks like it's got some more capacity there. It's not jumbled up with a bunch of stuff.
Here's the fridge. This got the ice maker.
It's all self-contained right in the door.
Self-contained in the door, so that leaves you a lot more room in your freezer area. And you've got the little drawer at the bottom. It's a nice looking.
The ice dispenser, you take the large high cups, the tall cups, that's good.
It is, and it's $13.98. Then you got the stove over here, or the microwave for $2.68. Here it's a Samsung.
Looks like the old-fashioned double oven. Yeah. All built together.
Ooh, it's about to fall off the shelf.
It's not.
Ooh, it's not built together. About fell. And here's the stove. Here's one. It says designed for you. Customized and change.
Yeah. Fairly nice, guys. I like the drawer.
There's the
freezer
drawer.
for your sandwiches and fresh, fresh frozen. Easy to get to.
And here's your freezer. Your cubed ice, the ice bits.
Not a whole lot of space downstairs. Well, okay, that's better.
This is the freezer area, so that's where you your ice. And then your freezer area. But this is pretty neat about the panels. Haven't seen that before. So you can get the built-in, it's built inside, I believe. Water filter, let's see. Not sure about the water in the door. But anyway, that's something new. Customizing.
Oh, it has a drain under here, so you may have to reach in.
Here's your Bosch package for $26.98 for the fridge. It has the ice in the door. I probably open it the way they got it in there. It's so close to the other one. That's your fridge. And of course you got your freezer at the bottom. Here we found some washing machines. And this is a front load washer and dryer. The washer is $7.48, the dryer is $7.48. So there you go. It's Whirlpool. I like that gray. And it's on sale for $6.98. It was $1,049. And then you've got this top load Whirlpool washer for $6.98.
Can you see the back control panel? That's a Whirlpool.
The Whirlpool. Whirlpools used to be really good. Not sure anymore. I haven't had a Whirlpool in a long time. But the washer is $6.98. Oh look, it has an agitator.
A deep, large capacity drum with some sort of agitator. I guess it's a pretty good agitator.
It is, compared to what they were, because remember there for a while it's like they did away with them.
And there is your dispenser.
Your detergent dispensers.
Detergents.
And look, the door is clear.
Yeah, you can see what your
You can see into the washer.
laundry's doing. I like that one.
It's $6.98 and it was $1,049.
I think if we get another one, it'll probably be one.
And here's a Samsung front load. It's $7.68 for the washer, $7.68 for the dryer. And this is the dryer. Yes, I think. Is this the dryer? No, this is washer.
No, this is dry.
I-
We don't know, guys.
No, it's rinse and spin. This is a washer.
Washer.
Yes, a front
Oh,
load
I should
washer.
have known. I'm sorry. I have one just like that.
This is the Samsung. Okay, so we got 3 washers sitting here. So just kind of showing you what's available.
I think I want the middle one.
And there's the code on that one. The code on that one. That's the Whirlpool. We'll see what else I have over here. Here's probably the one I'd take, the old-timey washer and dryer. We've got a front load right now, and we haven't
I'll
been real
just say,
happy
Glenn, a
about it.
lot more capacity. This is GE. Fewer germs, guys. Has a deep feel.
Kills sanitized cycle 99.9% of bacteria.
Soil level, that's for the extra washing. Temperature options. Auto soak, second rinse, extra spin. I like that.
Got dirt, tomato, grass, wine. Helps to get the stains
Does it
out.
have all of the above? Oh my goodness.
It
guys.
doesn't have
But
an
it doesn't have
agitator.
an agitator.
I'd have to have an agitator,
Yeah,
guys.
you need an agitator.
And there's the detergent film. But this one is $5.98. This one here is $5.78, and it's a washer.
The biggest surprise is right here. Looks like it has everything this one has, just looking. Maybe a few of the
Let's see.
cycles.
It's a Whirlpool, where the other one was a GE.
All right, listen.
Let's see. It's
I
got an
like it, yes.
agitator. Woo! Now this is my kind of washer.
I don't know if there's a lot more difference.
And look,
than that.
it's made in America.
Yes. Thank you, America.
Yes.
God bless America.
Bless America.
I like this one. You pour your detergent in there, I think. That's what you do.
Might have to get me one of these pretty soon.
No, what do they say you pour? It doesn't really say, but normally I think you do.
I had never poured detergent in that.
But you know,
Hey, here's some more Whirlpools for $6.28 one. That one doesn't have an agitator, guys. Here's one for $7.28. It's kind of the clear lid. And it does have an agitator. You can remove Industry First 2-in-1 removable agitator. Then you've got this one for $6.20. But check out all these washers. Got all kinds, all price ranges.